Nutrition facts labels sure can look confusing. Hi, I'm Ned from Steps to Health, North Carolina State University's SNAP-Ed program.
And I'm Steph. Nutrition facts labels and ingredients list provide us with important information to help us make healthier and more informed choices about the food that fuels our bodies. Stay with us and we'll help break it down.
Let's take a look at what nutrition facts labels tell us. At the top of each label is the serving size along with the number of servings per package. The numbers that follow refer to amounts per serving size.
Keep in mind, serving sizes of packaged foods do not always represent the amount of food we may choose to eat. Think about the serving size, how many servings are in the package, and then ask ourselves, how many servings are we planning to eat?
Below the serving size, we see how many calories there are in each serving. Note that calories are not bad for us. In fact, our bodies need calories for energy. Eating too many calories and not expending enough of them through physical activity can lead to weight gain and obesity.
Nutrients are found in the next section. For example, eating too much fat, saturated fat, or trans fat may increase the risk of certain chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and high blood pressure.
Foods high in saturated fat include, but are not limited to, baked goods, red meat, highly processed and fried foods. Cholesterol is listed next. Your healthcare provider may have talked with you about limiting these foods.
Sodium is listed next on the label. Did you know that more than 70% of dietary sodium comes from eating packaged, highly processed and restaurant foods? Foods like breads and rolls, cheese, cured meats, pizza, mixed pasta dishes, poultry, soup, sandwiches, and savory snacks. You can learn more from the sodium video in this series.
Next up, carbs. Carbohydrates are primarily found in plant foods such as fruits and vegetables, grains, and dairy products. There are multiple types of carbohydrates. They include starches, sugars, and dietary fiber. Two of those are broken out further on the nutrition facts label: fiber and sugar.
Fiber is an essential nutrient that contributes to proper digestion, boosts immunity, and promotes overall health. Fiber can be found in many different foods like fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Average Americans consume about half of the recommended intake of fiber.
Sugar is another type of carbohydrate. According to the dietary guidelines for Americans, added sugar should make up 10% or less of your total caloric intake. Consuming too much added sugar increases heart disease risk factors such as high blood pressure and inflammation. New to the label is added sugars. The percent of added sugar in a product is based on a 2,000-calorie diet. Sugar is sugar, so be on the lookout for sugar listed by other names on the ingredients label list.
Protein, the last nutrient listed, is made up of smaller units known as amino acids. We can get protein from a variety of plant and animal foods like those you see here. Because protein is an essential component to the makeup of the cells in the human body, it is necessary for proper growth and body function.
The recommended daily values of nutrients are found on the right side of the nutrition label. These are reference amounts expressed in grams, milligrams, or micrograms of a nutrient recommended to consume or not to exceed each day.
The ingredients list can be the most telling part of a nutrition label. The ingredients are listed by weight in the product. Scanning the first 3 ingredients of the product can provide a good sense of the product's overall nutritional profile. Also, don't be fooled by the many different names for fat, sugar, and sodium that may be listed in the ingredients list.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. In the meantime, keep reading those labels.